Yeah, I think 2022 is where we're going to start seeing those. I mean, obviously the papered over with the PPP money, or whatever version of alphabet of um, government throwing money out the window is. It did kick that can down the road. But to your point, yes, absolutely. I think there's going to be some deals. Um, we're starting to sign new leases. We're starting to have people come back. We've signed some retail leases, and I say that you asked if I have retail earlier. Usually, it's in a mixed use component, like the street level retail of the office building. I have a Buffalo Wild Wings on a net lease kind of thing, but depending on those market drivers, you could pick up some good deals, like you said, at $50 a square foot, and then can you go put 30 into a TI and be all in at 80? And then the rest of the market is trading at 150 or 200 or $300 a square foot. So I like that. And I'll tell you a little bit where I like historic buildings built in the late 1800s, early 1900s. They have like a cool character to them, a cool facade. They're, limestone or terracotta or like something pretty cool on the facade. But they've actually, for the last, I don't know, well, call it 60 years, everything has been focused on the car. And because it's been such a car-centric, focus on the zoning and municipalities, is those buildings have been functionally obsolescent because they didn't have the 4 parking spots per 1,000 of rentable. But now with Uber and scooters and technology is building that, is those buildings are becoming more valuable. And I think there's an opportunity to buy some of those, like you said, at a discount, because you don't need the parking. You don't need the same parking. And then if you can open up and remove the 80s or 90s out of some of these office buildings and then have open ceilings and exposed brickwork and those, we're signing pretty good leases because it's unique and it's special, and you can't get it from the other office building. And we can also be at a discount under market rents. How you structure those leases, I think, is going to matter. Everybody wants that office tenant that signs a 10-year lease. If you're willing to maybe accept lower, do some different co-working, put together a coffee shop and make sure that's in the lobby, maybe, you open up a coffee shop that helps that retail and helps some of the leasing. Some of those things, I think there's going to be some fantastic opportunities here coming in 2022.